Let's start with Milgard. 30 years ago, when I was very much younger than I am now, I was worried about warranty, and I wanted to make sure I was working with a company that backed me and backed the customer 100%. At that time, Milgard was by far the leader in warranty in the vinyl window world. They've evolved over the years and they still lead the way, but warranty is extremely important. 100% parts and labor on their Trinzic and Tuscany product is invaluable, because when things go wrong, it's not the parts that are expensive, it's the labor to replace them. So that was really crucial. Milgard has been a great partner with us for 30 years, giving us the confidence to continue to sell that product and know that they're going to stand behind what they sell. We also sell JELD-WEN. There are other colors and styles of windows and designs that Milgard don't do, so that offers us a variation. La Cantina, they make the big bifold doors and other products. They're also owned by JELD-WEN, but people probably recognize the name La Cantina more. It's an entirely different product line. So for somebody that wants to open up their back of their house and bring the outside in with that style, that's why we use La Cantina. We also sell Therma-Tru entry doors. A lot of people didn't know for a long time that we sold doors. And the front door to your house is the entry to your castle. And Therma-Tru makes really nice fiberglass doors that don't rot, warp. Termites don't eat them. They don't get affected by dry rot. So that's a really good choice for a lot of people. We don't sell every product under the sun. There are companies that sell hundreds of different manufacturers. We decided a long time ago we would rather be experts than have a little bit of knowledge about a lot of different things. So, for example, we don't sell wood windows. If you're designing a home where the architect has spec'd out wood windows for your home, nothing wrong with that. They're wonderful in the right application, especially if you can afford to refinish them every few years. A lot of people don't want wood these days because of the effects of the weather on them, the sun beating down in Southern California and just trying to kill your wood window. Every house that gets built has termites. Comes in the wood that they build your house out of. They're not fussy. They'll eat your studs and they'll also eat your windows and doors. Dry rot. There's a lot of reasons why people don't want wood, but if you do want wood, it's not something that we sell. There are manufacturers that we don't sell that are great manufacturers. And if you want those products, nothing wrong with them. We have tried to come up with products that fit most of our customers' needs, that have the best warranty, the best product, the best research and development, and that basically fix most of the issues that we see on a regular basis. We don't sell composite, we sell fiberglass. Milgard's fiberglass window it's along the same lines of what a composite window, at least what a composite window's purpose is. And that is to get away from wood because of the problems with wood and to come up with a product that looks like wood and is also paintable. That is where a fiberglass window or a composite window are similar, and you have the maintenance-free factor, and a lot of people find that very attractive. Now, I always like to make this point. If you buy a product that can be painted and you paint it, the paint will deteriorate. So once you paint a composite or a fiberglass window, those finishes are subject to the same conditions that our houses and our cars and anything else that you paint is. And so with time, that will deteriorate, but the product underneath it. Everyone's got a different reason or a different concern about quality. It could be that somebody wants a fiberglass window over a vinyl window because it's perceived to be higher quality. It's more expensive. It looks more like a wood window and it can be painted. Someone that wants a vinyl window, that could be the best quality window that they could possibly need for their house. I talked earlier about fiberglass entry doors. Is that better than a wood door? Not necessarily. If you're buying a mahogany door that came from Africa and is custom made and has all kinds of details on it, that door could be considered better quality than a fiberglass door, but it depends on the situation. If you're in a tract home in Carlsbad and your entry door faces south and it has no overhang, putting a mahogany door in there is going to be a lifetime maintenance problem. Putting in a fiberglass door wouldn't be. So that question is very subjective depending on what your needs are. Think about buying a car. Think about buying a house. Think about buying organic food versus non-organic food. What does it mean to you? It's an age-old question. A car. Does a $30,000 car get you from A to B? Does a $200,000 car get you from A to B? Yes, it does. It gets you there in a whole different level of comfort. It depends what you want. A $7,000 purse versus a $200 purse, they both will hold your cell phone and your wallet and your keys and all those little things, different choices. When it comes to windows and doors, the nice thing about windows and doors is there are going to be a set of windows and doors available for just about any budget. So really a set of windows and doors available for just about any budget. Whatever you're important to you, we can generally put you into the right type of door or window.